Where's the second? Right here.
GTF reinforcements requested.
Now we gotta hold this division, hold this position.
Hostile
This
forces
shit gotta be
approaching.
crazy. Here they come. The way they run is fucking hilarious.
Kaboom. Kaboom. Got him. Reload, reload, reload. Nice.
Oh, we still got 1 minute. Still got a minute.
Hostile forces approaching.
Shit!
Oh
Whoa.
my gosh. Gang gang. Squaw. Turn around. Sit down. Oh. Got him. Got him.
He got some green shit.
Warning.
Not for me.
Hostile forces approaching.
Team survivor. They're still coming.
We have 54 seconds left. Got him.
I've just been using my sniper lately.
Oh yeah, he's gonna explode. Kaboom. I headshotted him, but he didn't die. Go to sleep. Got him. Oh, headshot, but he didn't die. Now, oh, headshot, he died.
Got him.
Purple.
Oh, we got a purple.
Purple, purple. Bros, we just took off so much health off him, like, so quick.
Uploading data to
Where?
GTF network.
ACR. Let's go.
Nice. I sold my ACR. Quick, what level is this for?
10.
10? Oh, then this is easy
Yeah,
peasy.
something that we should do.
squeezy.
It's
Agent,
gonna be
the
nothing but
cleaners
light
keep
work
starting
on this.
fires and we don't have the resources to put them out. If we don't shut down their napalm production, we're one stiff breeze away from
Just
the
know
attack.
you're gonna want to cover heavy in this mission.
They got their main production
Will?
facility in the middle of their HQ, which is where you're going.
Let's
Close it
wreck
down
these
and
butt
make sure
cheeks.
they can't rebuild.
Which means taking out boss man.
Nice
Joe Farrell.
teamwork.
If he walks, he'll just
Got
start
him.
all
Of course.
over again.
Got him.
The place should be packed with napalm tanks and gasoline. Any tanks you find, just take them out however you can. Don't want the cleaners to salvage
There's a
that
guy
stuff
to your
when you're done.
left, I
We've
think.
all seen the damage they can do.
Got him.
Alright, remember, shoot those tanks, bro. If you see like a red thing on a tank, shoot that.
Got him. Boom, boom. I'm downstairs if you didn't know that.
You said what?
I'm downstairs.
Alright. Damn! You see that?
There's, purple.
Got him.
Damn. Wrecked his damn soul.
Good shit. It should be easy.
Got him.
Woo! You know what he jumped? Like he was about to blast off on the low.
Oh no.
There's snipers on the roof.
Really?
Yeah. You see him?
There's a purple grenade person.
Yellow.
The tank. You hear me?
Alright.
You can't let them get to the tank.
Alright, I took two off of him.
I don't even see. Oh, I see one jumping up.
Shit. Grenades coming. You see that light, right? That's the sniper.
Oh, okay. Is he yellow?
Yeah, he was. He almost done. You get him. You get that last shot on his head.
Bros, you still gonna need to help me because he's not even showing. Got him.
Woo!
That was a
Good
nice
shit,
little
good shit.
headshot.
Boost our damage here.
There's a lot of purple guys, bros.
Yeah, that's all there is now.
Yeah, nice
He's done.
teamwork. We raped his soul.
Exactly.
We made him give us his butt cheeks.
Pass him up, bitch.
Oh,
Got
damn.
that headshot. Nice and simple.
Okay, vector time.
Yeah, they're getting a little too close for comfort. Made out, bitch.
Got that grenade, boy. Ooh. Wrecked them butt cheeks. What is it?
Oh shit. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
I don't know, it goes up really high.
Well, we're in the middle of a firefight.
Oh, never mind, I can't get up it. Why would they have a ladder that you can't get up? Alright, here, I got you sniping. Can't have for me. Got him.
Good job, boy.
Don't know if you've ever heard the name Simon.
What is this?
Used to run with a street gang around these
Neutralize Simon versus.
Let's do this. This round fun. That's a bounty. Let's go.
Wait, are we neutralizing him? Are we doing it?
Neutralize
Yeah,
that.
let's go. Where's he at?
Hey, kill that
company
bitch.
with him.
He's right here.
Think you can get him off the streets?
You gotta kill his first lieutenant, nigga.
There are so many of them.
Why did you walk over there?
Cause I'm a baller.
And you look like a caller. Shut the dumb ass up.
Oh, sorry.
You're not blessed, ho.
Ooh, that hurt.
Lay down!
Turn around!
He's here.
He's right there. He's right there.
Oh my god, I keep missing the shots.
All right, it's all but that one. What? How are you about to die? Right. Why can't this guy die? Oh, I think I'm lagging.
Yeah, you are most definitely lagging.
Lay down!
Am I lagging?
Yes.
Probably. I don't know. I ain't see you. You're about
All
to
right,
die.
now I'm good. I'm good now. You guys are like by me, right? Yeah, you are. Okay, I'm good.
I threw the grenade at the wrong fucking area. Oh my god.
Got him.
Oh, blue.
Drop anything?
You creeping.
I didn't get anything. Oh,
I didn't get
that's fine.
anything.
I got a green right here.
Hey, second
Fuck that
lieutenant.
blows.
Man, what the fuck?
All right, let's go. Come on, it's in here. Is this how we get in? Yeah, that's how we get in. Shh, we gotta be really
Fucking lieutenant,
sneaky.
my butt cheek, bitch.
Really
They're the
sneaky.
sniper,
Oh,
they
they are.
see
Yes. Here, I got the sniper. Damn, my sniper does not do as much damage compared to his.
I don't have a
Look, he might
sniper
die.
right now.
I'm dropping this down in case I do.
Oh, I'm using this
Yep.
Oh,
FAO.
snap, watch out!
Don't worry.
Oh crap, I'm done.
Gucci.
I'm done.
I dropped one of these things that revives me.
Oh, I'm down. You guys are gonna have to
Back the
revive
fuck
me.
up off me, bitch.
Oh, I died. Oh, dang, that guy's huge.
Like my dick. Lay down!
It's fine, I'm good. No one get me. No one get me.
Bro, he was taking no
Don't give me-
damage, son.
Last, get me. Whatever the hell your name is, get me.
No.
Cover me.
Where are you even
Revive
at?
I'm
me?
covering.
Where are you even at?
I got him.
Thank you.
Welcome, bitch boy.
Here, I got a grenade.
Eat ass!
I eat ass.
I know you do.
Dude, this guy is taking no damage.
I'm not even
He's
trying to
eating
kill him. I'm killing his
He
friends.
eats those, literally.
Oh crap!
He eats everything. Here, I got you. I got you.
You're like
No, I don't got
one-shotting
you.
me.
Here,
Oh shit!
go, go, go.
I'm going. I'm gonna die my own self.
Good job,
Oh,
Lost.
shit.
Good job, Lost. Frick, where's he at?
Take a knee, bitch. Take a
Here, I
knee.
got another grenade. I'm gonna stun him. Oh, I missed. Hey,
You
someone.
fucking idiot. Jump it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go, 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 go.
Come get me, fool. Don't get me.
Oh,
No.
no. Where are you?
I'm okay. I literally was just,
Okay.
I distracted him from
Hey,
you.
get him, get him. He's like doing something.
I'm switching
I'll
my
let
mod on the thing to
It's gonna be lit.
flash thing.
Hey, I'm throwing a
Flash
grenade
thing,
at him.
bitch. Flash thing. Sticky bomb.
Got him.
Sticky
Okay,
bomb.
that grenade did crap.
Sticky bomb.
Get him, get him, get him. His shield's almost gone. Or whatever that is. Armor.
His armor's gone.
How does a grenade go through him? How is that a
He's
thing?
almost. Oh, never mind. I thought he was close to death. Well, I lied to my damn self. I got overhyped. Bro, I only have 50 bullets left in this damn gun.
Oh, I got a lot of bullets, so I'm Gucci.
I got 130.
Fucking.
Oh, he's dying now. This boy dying.
Does he have tattoos? He has tattoos. Thanks.
Got
Oh.
him.
That is the
I barely live.
Blue.
Dark blue.
Blue.
Dark blue. Dark blue.
officer holster. Let's go.
Alright, let's see what I got. I
got
got
a gun
expedition
somewhere,
pads.
too.
I
1,075
got
credits.
11.
Nice.
There's a restock
go.
in here. Thank you, Jesus.
Restock where?
Woo!
Hey, where's the restock at?
Right here.
Right there, bitch.
Huh?
My
Oh,
inventory
there's-
is full.
Only
One
Last
weapon.
can call me that.
Are you guys ready for this?
Let's go!
What are you doing?
Investigate the suspect's apartment while it's still in one piece. Suspect?
Okay, this was a bad idea.
What's
Innocent.
your dumb
Proven
ass?
guilty?
Like, why?
Please, I've met the guy. Those cleaner bastards have a collective.
BFG, bitch.
They better not screw this up.
Big fucking bomb. I think that's how it's going. Ooh! Headshots for fucking good.
Whoa, what is that? Please, is that you?
That was me.
What is that?
Fucking lost.
Ticky bomb.
Fast. Bomb.
Why did it seem like that sticky bomb was like so much more powerful?
I don't know. It's because it's LostWest
mod it?
gaming, boys.
I did. I'm on the
Ooh,
line.
let me get in that.
I didn't mod mine yet. I can't mod it.
Mod it, it doesn't cost anything.
I can't.
Yeah, but he doesn't have the. He doesn't have
Oh,
the
you
thing.
can't? I thought you said I can't.
Let's go, guys.
Alright, we good?
Let's
Damn,
go,
we...
bitches.
Hey, this is the hard part.
Last, remember
right?
how long it took us last time to complete this part?
Hold up.
Yeah.
I wanna go
Alright.
real quick.
It's because we got Flea's Christ
There's a-
with us.
The upstairs you could go through a window. Oh wait, was it here? No, it wasn't here, it was the next
They
area.
haven't burned the place down yet. Thank God. I'd love to talk to one of these cleaners sometime, partially to find out what makes them tick, and
Attack!
strangle them slowly while they told me.
Uh-oh.
Hey, watch out for the grenades. Hey, get out of there. Last.
I got you.
Oh!
I'm on fire!
Yeah, I know.
Stayed in the damn radius.
Why did I go back?
And I'm gonna take out that sniper. Or try to, I
Alright.
can barely even see it. Oh, get out of there!
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die. Rest in peace, me. I went down.
Pull out. Come out. Pull out like you weren't trying to have kids. Come on.
I'm trying. No!
No!
I got revived. I don't know how, but I got revived. Okay, I'm back
Here, I
down.
got you, I got you, I got you.
Come on, hurry up, revive me.
There's no way I'm going in there.
Huh. Huh.
Get out!
I'm out of there.
Alright,
happened?
hey, cover me for like 20 seconds. I
What
gotta start
happened?
laundry.
No, right now. What happened to me? It's 96 at 99.
Oh. I'll be right back.
What? I restarted from the top. What the frick?
You serious? You died?
I was alive shooting people, and then all of a sudden I died. Okay,
Alright, dude.
Tom Clancy, the Division, you messed up. Come on, Ubisoft, you need to fix this.
Alright, shit, boy.